Vande Matram. Friends, today in Google Ads we will learn about negative keywords. And what is the use of negative keywords? Also today we will see that how these negative keywords help us in optimizing our ads. And these negative keywords also saves our budget from being spent in the wrong place. And also in what ways can we add the negative keywords to our campaigns? We will learn all these things today. Because if you want to run a search campaign or if you want to show PPC ads, then negative keywords, and along with that, I will also tell you about search terms because you need to have knowledge about all these things. Now see on computer screen and learn properly. As you can see on screen, I have opened the Google Ads account. And here in the new tab, as you can see, here I have searched for the Google Ads negative keywords, right? So when I searched for Google Ads negative keywords, the first link that is shown, I have clicked on that link. Now when this website has opened, first I'll explain a little bit and then I'll show you practically how to do it. As you can see here, Google itself is explaining with an example that if you use negative keywords, right, then how does the broad match work and in what way? And if you have used a keyword strategy, or suppose if you have done phrase match or the exact match, then how it will work. Now you have understood the broad match. I have also already explained keyword match types to you when we were teaching you about the Google search campaigns. See what is there in broad match? When any of our keywords is within any phrase, I mean to say that either you could say that particular phrase or it might be a possibility that someone is searching for that exact keyword as well, right? Then our ad will be shown. So why the ad will be shown? Because let's say here you can see an example, running shoe is my keyword. Now in the example of running shoes, now we will first see here the blue tennis shoes. So friends, the first example is of broad match. Here in the broad match you can see it is written running shoes, and I have added running shoes to the negative keyword list in my campaign. Now because I've added running shoes, so in the first example, I mean in first one, a user has searched for blue tennis shoes. Now when I did blue tennis shoes, then running is not coming here. So until both of them come together, my ad can be shown. So my ad will show till then. Now here in this, both the words running shoe are coming together, right? But friends, see here it is running shoe. But here you can see above it is written as running shoes. So it matters. Then also the ad will be shown. But see here blue, running shoes. Even if blue is here, still running shoes will not be shown. Now it's shoes running, so the order is reversed. First it's shoes, then running, means both words are coming. Then the ad will not be shown in this case. So using negative keywords in this way. If you are using broad match, then you can still add negative keywords there as. You will have to use them, otherwise unnecessary ads will show. Right? Now we will come to the phrase match. The biggest game is of the phrase match because most of the people don't even use the broad match because broad match can drain your budget. There is no benefit. But the keywords that are mostly used in the campaigns that run on the search ads or PPC, so generally the phrase match and keyword strategy is most widely used in that, okay? Now, if I have used the phrase match strategy and have added running shoes in the negative keyword, so try to understand. As you can see, the blue tennis shoes is added here, then also the ad will be shown because the word running is not coming here. And if it is running shoe, then also the ad will be shown because here it is shoe and not the shoes, right? And in the phrase, the words running shoes, both of these words should come together, right? Blue running shoes. So it won't happen because of blue running shoes. And the running shoes is completely in that phrase. So my ad will not show. It won't show the ad, even if I have used phrase match. And now here it is shoes running, so the ad will show. Now in this case, you can say that earlier I had mentioned that both won't come together, but this is phrase match. Here I have put running shoes in inverted commas and they should come together. So even though it is coming here as shoes running, but the order has changed because this is phrase match. That's why my ad will be shown here. Because here the negative keyword that I have entered, that negative keyword is not coming exactly. Now come to the running shoes. So my ad will not be shown in running shoes because I've used running shoes here in negative keyword. So if someone will use it, then it obviously won't come. Now come to exact match. It is very simple to understand. So here if someone is searching for running shoes, then it will not show. But if it's anything else, or even if the order is reversed, or if it is shoe or shoes, then in that case also it will show the ads. So now, this is the negative keywords trick. Actually, what are the benefits of negative keywords? Now see, there are many possibilities of different types of keywords. People can also search within our chosen keywords and phrases. Also, they can add something before or after them, as it is not possible to determine each and everything. So, that is why we need to use the negative keywords. Now you might ask, why do we need to use negative keywords? And how will we know that which negative keywords should we use? It could be anything. So see, there are two ways. Let's see this practically. Here I went into the campaign. Now I had created many campaigns, and in this campaign I need to see where I can add negative keywords. So now here I will click on audience, keyword and content. Okay. All right. As you can see, I will click here. So here I will click on the search keywords. Okay. And when I'll click on the search keywords, then there will be two options, search keywords, and the other one is negative search keywords. So friends, what are search keywords in basic terms? So search keywords are basically the search terms. Whatever campaigns we made, we added the list of keywords in that. It might be possible that the searches are coming on the list of keywords that we've added, but besides those, our people might be searching for similar keywords. So we are adding those keywords and our ad is showing, also we are getting traffic from that. So that is why I would say that the search term is a very important part, which simply means that when your campaign is added here, I mean when the campaign starts running and when the ad starts playing, then you start receiving the traffic. So you can click here and go in your campaign, and there within the search audience, keywords and content, and inside the search keywords, you can go and see all the search terms, that on what all keywords you are getting the searches, right? Now here, out of them you will find, as a person has written that which course he should do. Now this is in the search terms, and if you think it is unnecessary, means this word should not be there, then you can copy that keyword and go to the negative keywords list and add it there. So to add it, go to the plus sign which is given there. See, here is add negative keywords to create a new list. Okay, so now I will come here and then I will paste that keyword here. All right, I mean the keyword that I want to remove, so I will paste that here on the keywords. Means I will come on negative keywords and then here I will copy it. Is that okay? So I have to choose either add to campaign or add group, where I have to add it. There are three levels: account, campaign and add group level. But remember, we always have to create the list of negative keywords at the campaign or add group level. So here I have chosen the campaign level and added the negative keyword, that which course should I do. The person does not even know which course he should do. Means he can do any course of any industry. So I don't need that traffic. Okay, so I've added this in the keyword list. Now here, you can also choose the campaign from here. You can choose the campaign. Okay, I would choose this one, the campaign that is running, this particular campaign, and I'll add this keyword in it. We know the list of keywords. Suppose I'm selling course of digital marketing. Digital marketing course. Might be that someone is searching for it. This should happen because I'm selling my course, if it comes up in the traffic. But if someone is searching for free digital marketing course, then I am not running the ads to sell a free digital marketing course. I am running the ads for paid course. But now what I will do, I will write free here, because if someone writes free, my keywords are related to something in the past or future. So wherever it says free, my ad should not be shown in that. Now let's say that someone is writing digital marketing company, or maybe someone is searching digital marketing news, or maybe digital marketing job. Then in that case, I don't have to do it on the basis of jobs update or news. So I will also take those keywords and put them into negative keywords list. So there are two ways. First one is your common sense. It means that you need to work hard and search on Google by using different keywords and see what people can search. Also, the search terms which are not relevant, add those in the list of negative keywords. And second is that when your campaign is running, then you need to check the search terms on the daily basis. In those search terms, if you think that this particular word is not right, or this keyword is not right, or this phrase is not right, then copy that term and add in this list. and by this you will be able to create your own list of negative keywords. There is no such thing as running the perfect ad. Okay? Whenever someone starts running the ad, then they run it on a normal level. The main thing that we are telling you here, so people try to follow them, but over time. When you optimize the campaign, so there is a way of campaign optimization. When you are running the search ads, then, okay, so the better the search terms you know, the more it will actually affect your ad, and it will attract more customers as well. Okay, so you will actually get the customer from here, and with the remaining keywords, you can make a long list of the negative keywords, and things will automatically optimize. Okay, so this is also a way of optimization, and in this way you can prevent your ad from showing on unnecessary keywords and save money. So friends, I hope that today you must have understood that what are the negative keywords, what are search terms, and where should we go and add negative keywords. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Jai Hind.